Welcome back, everyone, to the deep dive. AI is everywhere these days.
It really is.
So today we're going to take a deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. It's something that pops up every day,
Yeah, absolutely.
from our smartphones to even in healthcare. AI is everywhere.
Right.
So to kick things off, maybe we could start by just defining what exactly is artificial intelligence.
Sure. Artificial intelligence is basically the ability for a machine to think or act like a human.
Okay.
So it uses algorithms and data to solve problems, make decisions, and even learn and adapt.
So is it kind of like replicating the human brain in a machine?
Well, it's not exactly a replica of the human brain,
Right.
but it's inspired by how we think and learn.
Oh.
But AI doesn't have emotions or consciousness like humans do.
So it's more about mimicking the way we process information.
Yes, exactly. It's about creating systems that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on that information.
Fascinating. So when we talk about AI, are there different types? Like, are there different categories of AI?
Yes, there are. We can broadly categorize AI into two main types: narrow AI
Okay.
and general AI.
Gotcha.
Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks.
Right.
Like, think about your voice assistant on your phone.
Like Siri.
Exactly, Siri or Alexa, or those recommendation algorithms that suggest products or movies you might like.
Yeah, those are pretty good at knowing what I want.
Right, and that's narrow AI in action. It's very good at what it does, but it's limited to those specific tasks.
So it's specialized AI for a particular job.
Precisely. Then we have general AI, which is more like the aspirational AI. This aims to create machines that have the ability to think and learn like humans across a wide range of tasks.
Oh, okay. So more like a more advanced form of AI that can tackle various challenges.
Exactly. General AI is still largely in the research and development phase, but it has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives.
It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie.
It does, doesn't it? But the progress we're making in narrow AI is paving the way for those advancements in general AI.
It's pretty incredible to think about. So while general AI might be a future possibility, narrow AI is already having a significant impact on our daily lives. Where are some areas where we see this happening?
Well, let's start with healthcare. AI is playing a crucial role in diagnosing diseases, especially in analyzing medical images. AI algorithms can detect patterns in scans that might be missed by the human eye.
Wow,
This can be particularly helpful in early-stage cancer detection.
that's amazing.
Early detection is so important for successful treatment.
Absolutely.
Another area where AI is making waves is in retail.
Okay, so like online shopping and stuff.
Exactly. You know those personalized recommendations you get?
Yeah,
That's AI at work. It's analyzing your browsing history, your purchase history, and even your preferences to suggest products or services you might be interested in.
it's pretty amazing how it knows what I want before I even know I want it.
It can be a little creepy, I know,
Yeah, a little bit.
but it's also incredibly convenient.
It is, and it definitely makes shopping easier. What about other areas, like transportation?
AI is also transforming the way we get around. Think about self-driving cars.
Yeah, those are starting to pop up everywhere.
Right, they're still under development, but the potential is huge. Imagine safer roads, less traffic congestion, and maybe even shorter commute times.
Okay, sign me up for that. So AI is revolutionizing healthcare, retail, transportation. What about finance?
AI is a silent force in the world of finance. It's used in everything from fraud detection to stock trading algorithms. It's making transactions faster and more secure.
So AI is working behind the scenes to keep our finances safe.
That's right. It's constantly analyzing data, looking for patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity, and helping to protect our accounts.
That's good to know. It seems like AI is having a significant impact not just on individuals, but also on businesses.
Oh, absolutely.
How is AI changing the way businesses operate?
Well, AI is a game changer for businesses, boosting innovation and efficiency across industries. For instance, AI is transforming customer service. Think about those chatbots that pop up on websites.
Yeah, they're everywhere these days. Are those all powered by AI?
Many of them are.
Wow.
They can answer questions, resolve issues, and provide 24/7 support, even when human agents are unavailable.
It's pretty impressive how sophisticated they've become.
It is.
Sometimes I can't even tell if I'm talking to a real person or a chatbot.
That's the goal, right? To make those interactions as seamless and helpful as possible.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But AI is not just about customer service. It can automate tasks like managing supply chains, analyzing market trends, and even personalizing marketing campaigns. This frees up human employees to focus on more complex and creative tasks.
So it's about AI and humans working together.
Exactly. It's about leveraging the strengths of both AI and human intelligence to create a more efficient and productive work environment.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
And with all the data businesses generate these days, I imagine AI plays a crucial role in analyzing all that information.
Businesses are practically drowning in data,
Yeah.
and AI is the life raft. AI algorithms can sift through massive amounts of data, spot patterns and insights that would take humans forever to find.
Wow, so it's like AI is helping businesses make sense of all that data and turn it into actionable insights.
Exactly. These insights can help businesses make informed decisions.
Okay.
From understanding customer behavior to developing new products and services, AI is giving businesses a competitive edge.
So it's not just about automating tasks, it's about using data to drive innovation and make smarter decisions.
That's exactly right. And as AI continues to evolve, its impact on businesses will only grow stronger.
It's clear that AI is becoming an indispensable tool for businesses of all sizes. From optimizing operations to enhancing customer experiences, it's really changing the game.
There's no doubt about that. AI is no longer a futuristic concept.
Yeah.
It's here, it's now, and it's transforming the business world as we know it.
It's fascinating to see how far it's come and how rapidly it's changing the way we live and work.
It really is. And I think it's just the beginning. And who knows what the future holds, right? It's exciting to think about.
It really is. Like, where do we go from here? We've talked about narrow AI, but what about artificial general intelligence? Uh, is that even possible? Like machines that can actually think like humans?
Yeah, that's the big question, isn't it? General AI or AGI, it's kind of the holy grail of artificial intelligence.
Right.
It's the idea of creating machines that have the same cognitive abilities as humans, being able to learn, reason, and solve problems just like we do.
It's like something out of science fiction almost.
Right.
Like, will we ever get there?
Well, it's still a long way off, but the progress we're making in other areas of AI is definitely bringing us closer. We're seeing advancements in areas like deep learning and reinforcement learning that are really pushing the boundaries of what AI can do.
So even though AGI might be a ways off, we're still making progress towards it.
Absolutely. Every breakthrough we make in narrow AI, like in image recognition or natural language processing, it brings us a step closer to understanding how to build more general purpose AI systems.
Okay, that makes sense. But even with narrow AI, like, we have to be careful, right? There are ethical concerns and potential risks we need to think about.
Oh, absolutely. As AI becomes more powerful and more integrated into our lives, it's crucial that we consider the ethical implications. Things like bias in algorithms, job displacement, privacy concerns. These are all very real challenges that we need to address.
Yeah, because we don't want AI to create more problems than it solves.
Exactly. We need to make sure that AI is developed and used responsibly, that it benefits society as a whole.
Okay, so how do we do that? Like, how do we ensure that AI is used ethically?
Well, it starts with open and honest conversations about these issues. We need to have discussions about the potential impacts of AI, both positive and negative, and we need to involve diverse perspectives in those conversations.
So, like, bringing together experts from different fields, policymakers, ethicists, and even the general public.
Exactly, because AI is going to affect everyone, so everyone should have a say in how it's developed and used.
That makes a lot of sense.
Mhm.
But let's talk about the impact on jobs. Like, a lot of people are worried that AI is going to automate away their jobs. Is that a valid concern?
It's definitely a valid concern. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's going to be able to perform more and more tasks that are currently done by humans. And that's going to lead to job displacement in some sectors.
So what can we do about that? Like, how do we prepare for a future where AI is doing more of the work?
Well, I think it's important to focus on education and retraining. We need to equip people with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-driven economy.
Okay.
And we need to create new opportunities in fields that are going to be in high demand.
Like, what kind of fields?
Well, think about things like data science, AI development, AI ethics, cybersecurity. These are all areas where we're going to need more skilled workers in the future.
Right.
So it's not just about fearing job displacement. It's about adapting and preparing for the changing job market.
It's like we have to evolve along with the technology, right?
Absolutely. We need to be proactive and embrace the opportunities that AI is creating while also addressing the challenges that come with it.
So it's not all doom and gloom.
Not at all. AI has the potential to make our lives better in so many ways.
Yeah.
It can free us from tedious tasks, help us solve complex problems, and even unlock new levels of creativity.
Oh, yeah. Speaking of creativity, we haven't even touched on that yet. Like AI is being used to create art, music, even write stories. That's pretty wild, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing to see how AI is pushing the boundaries of creative expression.
Like, can you really call it art if a machine created it?
Right. Well, that's a good question. It definitely challenges our traditional notions of what art is, but I think AI can be a powerful tool for artists, helping them to explore new ideas and create things they never thought possible.
Yeah, it's like AI is a new kind of paintbrush or a new kind of instrument.
Exactly. It's a tool that can augment human creativity, not replace it.
Hmm. That's an interesting way to look at it.
Yep.
Okay, so we've talked about AI in healthcare, retail, transportation, finance, business, and even art. What about smart cities? I've heard a lot about how AI is going to be used to make cities more efficient and sustainable.
Yeah, smart cities are a really exciting area where AI is going to have a huge impact.
Like how so?
Well, imagine a city where traffic lights adjust in real time based on traffic flow, or where energy consumption is optimized in buildings to reduce waste.
Okay.
Imagine a city where AI is used to predict and manage emergencies like floods or fires. These are all possibilities that AI is making possible.
So it's like the city itself becomes more intelligent.
Exactly. It's about using AI to collect and analyze data from all aspects of city life, and then use that data to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and enhance the quality of life for residents.
That sounds amazing. But what about privacy concerns? Like, if the city is collecting all this data about us, how do we know it's being used responsibly?
That's a really important question, and it's something that we need to be very careful about. As we build smarter cities, we need to make sure that we're protecting people's privacy and that data is being used ethically and transparently.
Okay, so it's a balance between the benefits of smart cities and the need to protect people's privacy.
Absolutely. It's about finding the right balance and making sure that technology is used to serve people, not the other way around.
It's a lot to think about, but it's pretty exciting to imagine the possibilities.
It really is. We're at a pivotal moment in history where we have the opportunity to use AI to create a better future for everyone.
And that's what it's all about, right?
Mm.
Using technology to make the world a better place. But it's going to take a lot of collaboration, a lot of open dialogue, and a lot of careful planning to get there.
I couldn't agree more. It's not going to be easy, but it's a challenge worth taking on.
It really is amazing to think about all the ways AI is going to shape the future.
It is. It's a lot to take in.
It is. We talked about so much today.
Yeah.
AI in healthcare, in business, even in art and music. It's everywhere.
Right. It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it.
It is. And we're just scratching the surface, really. Who knows what the future holds for AI?
Exactly. That's what makes it so exciting. There's so much potential.
But with all this potential, we have to be careful, right? We've talked about the ethical concerns, the potential risks. We need to make sure that AI is used for good.
Absolutely. We can't just blindly embrace the technology without thinking about the consequences.
So what can we do? Like, how do we make sure that AI is developed and used responsibly?
Well, I think education is key. The more people understand about AI, the better equipped we'll be to make informed decisions about its development and use.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And we need to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI. We need to involve diverse voices in those conversations, make sure that everyone's perspective is heard.
Right, because AI is going to impact everyone. So everyone should have a say in how it's shaped.
Exactly. It's not just about the technology itself, it's about how we use it, how we integrate it into our lives and into society as a whole.
That's a really important point. We can't just leave it up to the tech companies or the governments to figure this out. We all have a role to play.
Absolutely. We need to be proactive, we need to be informed, and we need to be engaged in the conversation.
Well said. I think that's a great note to end on.
I agree.
It's been fascinating exploring the world of AI with you today.
It has. It's been a really great discussion.
To our listeners, thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. We hope you found it informative and thought-provoking.
And we encourage you to keep learning, keep exploring, and keep asking questions about this incredible technology that is shaping our world.
Until next time, this is The Deep Dive, signing off.